Hi children, today we will start our revision lesson 3 fiber to fabrics. What is fiber to fabrics? In this lesson we mainly study yarn, fabrics, then type of fibers, plant fibers, then spinning cotton yarn, yarn to fabric. First, what is yarn? Yarn means a long thread. It is made up of clothes. Then fabrics means a thin strands to make a thin strand. Then type of fibers. There are two type of fibers: natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers means natural fibers are obtained from nature. Example plants and animals. Example cotton, wool, silk and jute. Then synthetic fibers, it is cannot obtained from plants and animals. It is artificial or man-made. In this lesson we mainly study plant fibers. Example cotton, jute, etc. Then spinning of cotton yarn. That means in different process we make yarn to fabrics. Example weaving and knitting. Okay, then take a copy and do the exercise. Then first question, classify the following fibers as natural or synthetic. Natural means it is obtained from plants and animals. Synthetic means it is made up of human being or man-made or artificial. Options: nylon, wool, cotton, silk, polyester and jute. Then first, what are natural fibers? Then wool, cotton, silk and jute. These are natural fibers. Then synthetic fibers, nylon and polyester. Then second, state whether the following statements are true or false. Some statements there, these statements are true or false. First, yarn is made from fibers. That means yarn is made from fibers. Answer is true. Then B, spinning is a process of making fibers. What is spinning? Is a process of making fibers. Then answer is false. The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. That means spinning is process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. Then option C, jute is the outer covering of coconut. No. What is jute is outer covering of coconut? No. Answer is false. Jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Then the process of removing seeds from cotton is called ginning. Answer is true. Then E, weaving of yarn makes a piece of fabric. Answer is true. Then F, silk fiber is obtained from the stem of a plant. Answer is false. Where is silk is obtained? Silk is obtained from silkworm. Then G, option G, polyester is a natural fiber. What is natural fiber? Natural fiber means it is obtained from nature. Then polyester is not a natural fiber. Then answer is false. Then question number 3, fill in the blanks. Option A, plant fibers are obtained from plants and animals. What is that? Means plant fibers are obtained from cotton plants and jute plants. Then animal fibers are dash and dash. The answer is wool and silk. Then answer the following questions. Question number 4. From which parts of the plant cotton and jute are obtained? Cotton is obtained from the fruit or cotton balls of the cotton plant and jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Then 5th question. Name 2 items that are made from coconut fiber. Then example, coconut fiber was obtained from fiber, rocks and mats. Then 6th question, explain the process of making yarn from fiber. The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. In this process, fibers from a mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. These things, the fibers together form a yarn. A simple device used for spinning is a hand spindle, also known as takli. Another hand operated device used for spinning is charka. That means to devise their takli and charka. In your question copy, some extra questions there. First, define the following. First question is, what is ginning? First, ginning. What is ginning? Fibers are separated from the seeds by combing. This process is called ginning. That means in cotton seeds, this how to separate it. Fibers are separated from the seeds by combing. This process is called ginning. Then next is spinning. The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. What is spinning? The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. Then ginning means the separation of seeds from cotton is called ginning. Then next is weaving. Weaving means the process of arranging two sets of yarns together to make a fabric is called weaving. That means arrangement of two sets of yarn. Example, two colors of yarns to make a fabric is called weaving. Then next is knitting. Knitting means the process of making a fabric by interlocking loops of single yarn with knitting needle or machines is called knitting. That means interlocking of single yarn with knitting needle using. Example, sweater, socks, etc. These are the process of making knitting. Then next, differentiate between the following. That first question is natural fiber and synthetic fiber. What is natural fiber? Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. Example, cotton, silk, jute and etc. Then next, fiber and yarn. What is the difference between fiber and yarn? The thin strands of thread are made up of still thinner strands called fiber. That means thin strands to made of thinner strand is called fiber. And what is yarn? Yarn is a long thread which is used for making fabrics. So and then next is very short answer type questions. Then very short answer, first question. Name the modern fabrics which are formed by unstitched piece of fabrics. That means this unstitched piece of fabric. Example, sari, dhoti, lungi or turban. What are they? Sari, lungi, dhoti and turban. Then write two products obtained by weaving twigs and grass. Example, then answer is mat and basket. Then third question, name the materials which were used by the people in ancient times to cover. That means ancient time people which type of covering use. Example, answer is big leaves of tree, barks and animal skin. Big leaves of trees, barks and animal skin. Then in your home you have to study well. Understood?